welcome to the Sunday reading. And I have got four cards laid out here with one rune stone. So we will pick up each card to reveal what messages it brings for anyone and everyone connected to the channel and watching this right now. The very first card is Five of Cups. Cups stands for emotions. Full moon today starts today with a lunar eclipse tomorrow. So obviously most of us are feeling very high on emotions. Most of us are feeling irritated, probably holding on to the past, still not letting go. This card represents that. This card talks about any one of us who is holding on to heartbreaks, holding on to past relationships, holding on to past pains in our life, holding on to all the victimization and the feelings and emotions of I am the victim, that of victimhood. And you know what? We are only ending up sending that same vibes to the universe. The universe is not going to be able to read anything else that we want or be able to give us anything else that's possible for us. No new opportunities can come to us if we are going to be in this sadness. We aren't letting go of what has brought us that sadness. We are still holding on to probably the person, his stuff that is still with us, or her stuff that's still with us. Anything that is emotionally connecting our cords to that person, yet we haven't let go of that. And if we are not going to let go of the old, of the past, how do you think are we ever going to get opportunities and possibilities of newer life, newer partner, newer things, newer abundance, newer prosperity that the universe would so otherwise want to give us? So guys, this card is warning us to let go, telling us to let go of anything that we are holding on to. Declutter emotions, declutter any belongings that you're still having with you, that you have kept, which brings in those memories, because those memories are only going to bring in sadness. And if you are going to go and emit sadness out there, that's what the universe is going to pick up and give you more reasons to be sad. Is that what we really want? Is that what you really want? No, na. So let's just let go of it. Let's just forget the past and start afresh. Every day the cards are guiding us that new things are coming our way. It is possible to move on. So get going. Hold of your emotions and let them all go. Today is full moon, the day to release all that is not required for you, the day to release all that does not match your frequency, the day to write down the list of all things that you would want to go, be it emotions, be it decluttering your life, be it decluttering your wardrobe, anything. Let go. So guys, beautiful card, beautiful message for today, for a full moon. Let's start working on it, please. See how the cards tell a story. And this one is asking us to forgive the father figure, the male figure in our lives, be it past relationships, past boyfriends, anyone who has hurt us in the past, any male figure, any male authority who has hurt us, who has stabbed our heart, who has given us that feeling of, feeling depressed, or that feeling of, oh, I'm not worthy. Let go, forgive. This card basically brings out the message that we need to balance our masculine and feminine energies. This card asks us to forgive our fathers, our sons, our great grandfathers, grandfathers, whoever it is that has not left good memories for us in the past. Also your brother, your husband, your lover, your ex-lover, whoever it is who has hurt you. Time to let go, time to bring in your masculine and feminine energy in balance. This card also represents the fact that if you are having any problem in your current relationship, with your family, your husband, your lover, your boyfriend, whoever it is, your brother, whoever it is, the male figure in your life, if you're having a up and down in that relationship, time to heal that relationship, do forgiveness, and that healing will definitely take place. Also, this card signifies that a male figure will come into your life, maybe a new partner coming into your life, maybe a new lover coming into your life. So let go of the emotions and do forgiveness for the father figures, for the male figures dominating your life or ever have been in your life. And do forgiveness for yourself to bring in your masculine and feminine energy together in balance, so that we welcome whoever it's that male figure coming our way. So guys, beautiful connection to the messages. I don't know why I keep seeing every woman who has had a heartbreak and still holding on to those male not so welcome energies anymore. It's time to let go. Sisters, are you listening to me? And this one is also, this card talks about any one of us who has lost a male figure in this recent past, or in the past at all, whom we are still connected to, sending us a message from heaven saying, I love you, I am here with you. I may not be there physically, but in your memories I shall always stay. So think of me, of all in all those good memories that we created together. So for me, I always keep missing my father and now my uncle. Probably this is that kind of a message for me and everyone who has lost their father figures or the male members in their life. Know that they are sending us an I love you message for sure. And see, this is the message from the cards that are messages from the heaven cards. And this one is talking about our loved ones who have passed over, sending us a message that now I have no pain. They have realized that, each one of us in this planet, on this phase of our lives, comes here for a soul learning, for a soul, eroding all our things that we don't want, and learning the new to go and travel into the next phase, the next plane for our higher selves. So when we are here on earth, we hold on and bind to all that heartaches and pains that we face every day, not realizing that that is something that we are creating and we are holding on to. But as soon as we release ourselves from the body, when the higher soul releases itself from the body that's binding us right now in this phase, in this planet, in this dimension, we realize that there is no pain. It is only us holding it on to this body, this mind. We are holding it on into our hearts. But as soon as we pass over, our loved ones who have passed over are hence sending that message that now I have no pain. I don't feel that pain because I don't have that body and I can be anywhere and everywhere. So know that our loved ones are always with us in our memories. Remember them with love and not with grief, because that's something that they wouldn't like us to be in, into that grief mode. Okay, so let go. And this is the beautiful card that is from the Love Quotes deck. And this one is from Hali's, the Love Quote, and it says, I wish I could show you when you are lonely or in the darkness the astonishing light of your own being. Simply put, it says, all these emotions that we hold on to, all these emotions and the pain that we are feeling brings us into the darkness, brings us into the negativity energy, okay? So this card is saying that when you feel that, look inside you and know that there is light within. We all are magical. We all shine bright. Just tap that brightness and that sunshine within. And when we look within, we will know there is no reason for darkness. Just like this candle, can you see the light? It just brightens up everything. So just like that, we all have that light within. Let us all shine bright. Let us not feel darkness. In the darkness, when you light a candle, what happens? It just brightens up the entire space. Light that candle within and lighten up the entire universe. That's what we are here for. Our lives are meant to be learning love. Our lives here are meant to feel that love and spread that love and that brightness that we are, the magic that we are. So let us all learn to have a life full of ease, joy, and glory. Let's just let go of all the emotions that are holding us and not letting us fly free. And this is the last rune stone of gift. This rune stone talks about gift, the gift of life, the gift of love, the gift of partnership, partnership with your loved one, partnership in work, partnership in your personal life, partnership with the universe, with the nature. So, how about partnering with your own inner self first and then spreading that gift of love, the gift of life, the gift that you are? Each one of us is unique. How about creating our universe? Each one of us has a universe within. So, let's go out and see how beautiful this message is for a Sunday. Tap within, tap into your emotions. Let's not play victimhood anymore. Let's not play the I am victim card anymore. Please, let's just fly free. Have a happy bright Sunday, guys, and I shall see you soon.